Okay guys, welcome back to HM Coding Studio. Now that you have installed pycharm in your PC and set up the new project, now let us make our first Python program in pycharm. To do so, first of all, you need to open your pycharm. And also guys, if you haven't set up Python and pycharm in your PC until now, make sure to click on the eye icon on the upper right side of the screen and see how to set up Python and pycharm in your PC. Okay guys, now that you have opened the pycharm, let us create our first Python program in pycharm. To do so, just right click on your project, create a new Python file, add a name to the file. You will say it's an example file, so example, and click enter. It will create a brand new file in here, and the file extension should be .py, which tells that it is a Python executable file. Our first Python program would be to print out hello Python in console. To do so, it's very simple. Just write down print insert parentheses, double quotation or single quotation, both are the same. Just write down hello Python, and then for this program to run, we can just simply right click on it and run, and it will print down hello Python in the console. And also guys, if you want to use the shortcut, you can use Shift F10 in Windows and it will do the same thing. Okay guys, if you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also click on the bell icon button so you can get notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching.